Series. A number of things coming one after another. The book is part of a fantasy series. They watched a TV series all weekend. The team won a series of games. She attended a series of lectures on art. The movie is the first in a series.